no fuck for 1 week, 2 weeks. But when me ready for fuck, no fuck. Me no fuck for 1 week, 2 weeks. But when me ready for fuck, no fuck. I saw this here. Me no fucky cause me no whore. Me no tat. Me no whore, me no tat. So no, me no fucky. Me 1 2 week, 1 week we pass and me no fuck. But when me want fuck, no fuck. I saw me stay. Yeah. Me no get up every day and pray pussy now, you know? Me get up every day and pray business. To extend my business and extend my lifespan, you know? But me no get up every day and try fuck, because I'm not a whore. You know what I mean? And pussy is gonna always be here. Me get up and worry about extend my business and drive around and look for some more business and yeah, me no get up every day and look for pussy. Me no get up every day and jump in a girl DM. Yeah, dog. But me all fuck a ton still. Me all fuck a ton. Me fuck for Jamaica. Yeah. Me fuck for Jamaica. Me can't retire now because me fuck for Jamaica. Remember a long time me a fuck, you know. Me a fuck from me a 7-year-old. Remember some me pass perms when me a 8-year-old, you know. The first girl me fuck her, that's so Raven. Then me fuck the girl in a Fast and Furious. Then me go start fuck Pinky. Theodore. No, listen to me. No, a long time me a get pussy. Long time. Remember say me, the white man pay $40 for fuck him wife. And him still right this stuff. If I lie, me I tell Father God come down and break up my 2 blood clot and then me you start my life. Me say me there hotel. I dance. And the white woman see it and say, tell her husband, say, that's the black bamboo I want tonight. $40 US, I can't tell me nothing. Me no business if I say me cheap. Jesus Christ, myself a lie, me I tell. God broke up me hand them and me you start my life. I no $40 buddy. I no $40 buddy. Them time them me had 19, 20. $40 US them time there. $40 US them time there. A nice piece of food for me. $40 US them time there. A nice piece of food for me. No free. She can give me $40 US. $40 US. See now. Them time the $40 US a whole heap of money for me. Them time I can go buy one nice little Reebok at Jamaica and kick them in their face. No, you know a lie me I tell you. You know, so when me a 19-year-old, me know they are Jamaica. A lie me I tell you, when me younger than that. Me left Jamaica 2009. Me left Jamaica. No man, around that age, man. When me there dance at hotel. Yeah, when me a dance at hotel in a white girl, them love me, you know. You know, a girl them call me a hotel Theodore. Because when me I talk to them, they say me sound like Theodore out of Chipmunk. Everything, I don't want to see that. Be a peanut colada. Oh, you think me love peanut colada, so? When me used to dance a blood clot hotel with the blood clot white girl, man, just go up in the stage front and dash in on their face 2 times and then grab it. When they grab it, first thing they say, oh! Me blow ask any girl. Any girl will grab me hood already. When they grab it, first thing they say, oh! Listen to me. Me now say me have the biggest cock in the world, you know. But me have a Baptist church bell. No, me not have anaconda, me not lie. Me not have anaconda blood clot. Me not lie, so me have anaconda blood clot. Me not tell you, say me have a dog up on a blood clot mission. And when me pop out me hood, mama say, oh my God. When the dog pop out he hood, mama faint. Me shame. Me say, brother, me say, when the dog pop out in hood, mama faint. Me say, me shame. Me say, when me pop out for me, you know. And mama see it, and mama say, oh my God. That's white woman, you know. When mama say, Mary pop out for him blood clot, who over there say, you know. I feel, yo, when Mary pop out to you, you know. You know when they have the blood clot, treat somebody about you, woman, you know. And you look over, say, you know, you. Me say, Mary would bend up so to blood clot and come back out so long, so. Me say, what the blood clot, Mary, I do? A papa tree. Yo, you know, so I believe in a papa tree too. I Papa Tree where Mary used to beat in wood pan. When I beat a wood pan Papa Tree, me say me couldn't believe, me say me go home and start beat my wood pan Papa Tree. But then they say too late. When me go home and start beat my wood pan Papa Tree, me done party age. Brother, me say when the man, you know, when a kind of, you look cross so. Because you know, you can't just look so. You have to get, you look cross so. When me look cross to blood clot, brother, me pussy rascal, not no good. Me say me shame. Me shame. Me and marry again. Threesome. Again. But this is not about threesome, this is about fivesome. Because I one woman and about 4 away. Brother, you see when Mary pop out, your girl say I want to go home with him. I just want a night by myself with him. See me and I blood clot care back. You sometimes you can't tell blood clot lie. If a man go on better than you give him the props. If he go on better than you, give him the props. We say night tonight blood clot care back. The girl said, I want a night with him. Oh my God, I love him. See me? In I back keep me I get a compliment. I don't get a blood clot compliment. Me say me start beat me wood pan blood clot Papa Tree. When me start beating, my sister catch me and say too late. I swear to God, me the right I start telling you this. Swear to God. If I lie, me I tell God. One blood clot morning. We come from blood clot passa. Don't a Mobile. On the rooftop, Barnett Street. Anybody know Mobile, Barnett Street? A long time I dance, so don't know that. We come in and I flick in my blood clot DVD. I'm flicking the DVD on my sister, my big sister, and I blood clot house. I swear, if I lie, me I tell God keep me. Me did have a time for coming up. But me hear the door, a blood clot pull. And I say, me can't hold back the blood clot come. And me did have me a backy, you know. Cause me a backy some of them time there, you know. 4 or 5 days me a back fist and ramp with me, you know. Wrap it back into, you know. Wrap it back it burst, them used to call me, you know. Or backy some, you know, me did have me a backy blood clot fist and me hear the door, you know. Yo, but when me hear the door, it's like me a come. Brother, that's why my sister pull the door. Cause you know my sister sick. My sister sick. So you know, when she see me, she kind of shocked. You know them people that were shocked and shake and drop. But me a come. And me a watch my sister dropping up because she can't believe say, Backy say me a Backy a say, you know. But me a watch her dropping up, but me can't let go my blood clot 9.5, you know. Me say to boom and a rap off and me say I saw big man come. Ah! I run go catch her. A long time. Now I'm professional walking. Some man all take 5 minutes back face, 2 seconds, quick off 4 seconds, 5 seconds. It taps at 10. Yo. Really a laugh. A professional, bro. It taps the longest now at 10 seconds. Any of them want to go 1 minute of my mind. Me a professional. Yeah.
Last night I watched the girl, man.
Yeah.
Last night I watched the thick by girl, man.
Yeah.
Who my bride? I watch her tonight again.
All buckies. Yeah, man. Bro. Me in my bed already with my woman, you know. And she said she now give me no blood clot pussy. I'm gonna buck my fist right there. That me I tell her. Oh my God! Ashley. Oh my God, I can't believe you do this. Get up out of bed and run, God. Me just turn my blood clot back and turn on blood clot pan. Not the pan is sexy, you know a pan? Where they sell pan in a pan shop? Because it's my favorite show, that pan show. Yeah, where you sell things, scrap metal, storage war. Me just turn on my blood clot pan show and just turn my back and go blood clot sleep. You run out of. Me not have no time for that. At least, alright, see somebody said they do it already there. Alright, you man them over here, you too lie, brother. You have to tell you too lie, bro. You too lie, man. You have to tell the girl themselves, you too lie, bro. You know, if you back on the fist, you go out on the back on the fist, a blood clot rape. Brother. Then lie. Brother. 2 women never hold you and suck your nipple yet. Brother, me say, 2 girls never hold you and suck your nipple yet. Just a suck your nipple. And then put all them 2 blood clot foot right that's up on your hand. So you have to lead up like your blood clot dead. And then just a suck your blood clot nipple, Jesus Christ. Oh God. Jesus. Me pussy clot. Me bumbo clot. Fresh. Yo. Me like a girl and me know say, y'all get fucked. Stop a play thing. You are get fucked. Stop going like you want to come over in a bag of play thing. You know you're gonna get fucked. Stop it. Yo. You have some 23-year-old that act like 40. I have some 40-year-old act like 20. But right now, big woman, I give young girl them some run for them blood clot money. Right now, the big woman them, I give the young girl them some run for them blood clot money. Right now, the big woman them are holding the right blood clot on down the neck. Me? I'm if a blood clot, tell you. You know, woman, if enjoy yourself, go and go enjoy yourself. If you don't decide you don't want to enjoy yourself, don't make the blood clot by the wall in the back. Go and go enjoy yourself. Young girl them, the big woman them are going to run for the blood clot money. Me I tell you, the big woman them are going to run for the money. Yo! Bro, can't hold it, brother. You see one girl run go do her body what they are. And when mama turn back waist up, you know them turn themselves. When I body drop on the right, they are mama blood clot. What you call that again? Knee. And the next one they up your son. Stop. Do your body down in Miami. Stop. Do your body over Bahamas. Stop. Do your body. No, wait. Now, listen. Listen what me I try to say. And listen to me good. So my female who done body it done perfect. Because they don't waste no time. They save them good money and then do them good surgery. I have nothing wrong with surgery. A female I can do them surgery and look good. There's nothing wrong with getting your surgery. And listen what I'm saying. It's nothing wrong getting your surgery. But take your time. Save your money. Save your money. And carry yourself. Go give somebody good. You try to be like your friend with $2,000. When your friend pay almost 7 blood clot $1,000. Fly out. Get her a nice little surgeon. When you run good on Miami, Bahamas and them place there. Take a little time and save your money. Do it. Nothing wrong with it. Take a little time and save a little money and say, all right then, here we go on. You're going to do your body and you look good. Shana! Thank you for the galaxy. Real talk. Save a little money and you go on like, you do your thing. Research.